Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 C300 4MATIC coupe. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. AMG package, which is going to give you an AMG exterior and interior look. 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated star on the grille, diamond style grille. Also included is the night package, which gives you a front blacked out splitter, black mirror covers, and a black rear diffuser. Black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Coming up front, blind spot assist. Opening up the trunk, we've got a power lift gate, set all season floor mats, brushed aluminum trim, heated seats, Burmeister sound system, ambient lighting, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, a natural gray wood center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C Coupe has 15,743 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.